Hello friends, this is Kishore Kumar speaking. Today we are going to learn the introduction part in Python 3. This tutorial is meant for beginners only, and now we will see table of contents in introduction part. First we shall see the what is Python. Next we will see how to start the interpreter in two different modes, interactive mode, normal mode. Next, you will learn about source code encoding. Next, integrated development environment. And we will see the first program hello world. Next, Python built-in functions. Also, we will going to learn in this session. First of all, what is Python? You can see here this logo is the Python programming language logo. The Python is a cross-platform programming language. It can run on Windows, Mac, OS X, Linux, Unix, etc. etc. Python is ported to Java and .NET virtual machines also. It is a free and open source programming language. Linux and Mac have Python programming language is pre-installed, but in Windows you have to download it from www.python.org. How to start the interpreter, that is Python interpreter. The interpreter lives in Linux or Unix based systems. The default location is /user/local bin python 3.6. But in Windows, after installing the Python interpreter, it lives in :/python 3.6. 3.6 is the here version 3.6. Before going to invoke the command line interpreter interactive session, you have to set the path in Windows. This using this prompt, set path equal to %path semicolon C:\python 3.6. We shall see the Python basic modes. What are the basic modes in Python? First one is the interactive mode. It is a command line shell which gives immediate feedback for each statement. In Linux, $prompt at $prompt we have to type Python, then the Python interpreter invokes. In Windows, we have to type the Python simply in the command prompt, then it will be. Now there is another mode, normal mode. It is a script mode. It is a .py extension. The files have the extension .py. I'm using Windows 7, so that go to the start menu and type cmd. From you can see this is the command prompt. Here just simply type the Python. After typing this Python, hit the enter button. Then you can, then the Python interpreter invoked here. Here you can see Python 3.6.5. It is a version name, and these three greater than symbols indicates that you are in the interactive mode. Whatever you typed here, you will get immediate response from that. Simply, we will see that 1 plus 2, it gives here 3. 1 plus 2 is the 3. Yes, 2 into 5, 10. Now we will see, you can type your name also. Print Kishore. Here we given the string Kishore, it gives the output Kishore. This is called the interactive mode. Now we will see the normal mode. It is also called a script mode. In the script mode, we have to first of all write the script file. Before that, we have to invoke the Python interpreter from start button IDLE. IDLE is the Python's inbuilt IDE. We will see what is IDE in the subsequent class. Here we can see this is the Python 3.63, 3.6.3 shell. Here also it is showing this these three greater than symbols indicate that you are in the interactive session. Similarly, 2 into 8, it gives 16, and 20 divided by 5 also gives 4.0 in the floating point. Just it can act, this Python interpreter acts as a simple calculator also, and it will give immediate feedback. Okay, coming to the point now. In the normal mode, what we have to do first? We have to create one script file. So for creating that file, we have to go to File, New File. Here you can see that the file name is untitled. So that we have to first save it. Here I am saving it to desktop. Means file name HELLO, hello, and it will automatically save the extensions .py, .pyw. These are the extensions. Save. So here, what we are going to see now, if you are using Linux system, then you have to type this line. It is user bin Python 3. This line must be written or typed at the beginning of the first line. Then only the Python interpreter interprets your source code, that is file. But in Windows, it is not necessary. Now, what we are going to see here, we have to know you have print function hello world. Now we have to save this file, save and run. See here, the output comes here. Hello world. Sorry, I'm sorry. Already spelling mistake. Okay. Similarly, hello world. Similarly, you can type your name also here. Now save it. Now run module. See here, those two statements are shown here at the output. You can easily understand first statement at the first line and second statement at the second line. This is the script mode. Now let's go to the class. After completing the script file, if you are using in Linux, you have to make that file executable by using these commands: chmod +x hello.py, and after that how to execute it, just type like this dot / hello.py, then the file will be executed. We will see what is the source code encoding. Python source files are treated as encoded in UTF-8 to display all the characters properly. The editor must be recognized that the file is in UTF-8 format. If you are using some other encoding, you have to use this syntax: hash hyphen star hyphen coding colon encoding. Here encoding your whatever you use that encoding number. Simply that if you are using in Windows, for example, if you are using in Windows 1252 encoding, if you want to use that encoding, just type simply here hash hyphen star hyphen coding colon cp 1252 hyphen star hyphen. This is the syntax for this encoding. In Linux, if you are using in Linux, you have to type these two lines at the beginning of the source file. See here, like this. Now friends, let's see what is integrated development environment. IDE is a piece of software that provides code hinting, syntax highlighting and checking, auto indenting, file explorers, and access to interactive interpreter while coding, etc. to the programmer for application development. Using an IDE, you can get rid of redundant tasks and significantly decrease the time required for application development. By default, the Python programming gives IDE. It is a IDLE, graphical user interface. It is installed along with your Python programming. It is a cross-platform IDE for Python using the Python's TK Inter programming language. It written in Python Win is a Windows-specific IDE actually. All of these programming environments provide syntax highlighting, auto indenting, and access to the interactive interpreter while coding. Hello world, this is the first program. As we have seen just now, that how to write this source code in the normal mode. In this program, we have used built-in function print parenthesis. Here you have written your string hello world. Print is a built-in function. We will see what are the built-in functions. Okay, just you have write your first programming. So it is very easy to understand and easy to write this program syntactically. Python built-in functions. The Python interpreter has a number of functions that are always available for use in the program. These functions are called built-in functions. For example, as we have seen just now, print parentheses this. This is a print function. It gives output. Whatever you typed in these parentheses, that may be string or anything else. Actually, in Python 3.6, the latest version, which is now available, it has 68 built-in functions. They are given here. I have given only a few of them. Remaining are given along this video tutorial in the description. Please see that PDF file. You can see Python ABS function, all function, any, ASCII, bin. These are all the built-in functions we will use in our script programming language. Okay, friends, thank you. Um, in the next tutorial, we are going to learn keywords and identifiers. If you like these tutorials, friends, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends also. And I need your feedback. Please give your feedback here. Uh, Thank you for watching, friends. This tutorial lesson available in PDF file. Link is given in the description. Please see, friends. Signing off, Kishore Kumar Vajja.